Hello friends, my name is Rishikesh Kanse and today I am here to discuss about the thread scheduler in Java. Uh, component component of Java that decides which thread to run or execute and which thread to wait is called a thread scheduler in Java. In Java, a thread is only chosen by a thread scheduler if it is in the runnable state. However, if there is a more than one thread in a runnable state, it is up to a thread scheduler to pick one of the threads and ignore the other ones. There are some criteria that decides which thread will execute first. There are two factors. There are two factors for scheduling a thread, that is priority and time arrival. Priority of each thread lies between 1 to 10. If a thread has a higher priority, it means that thread has got a better chance of getting picked up by their thread scheduler. Second one is time arrival. Suppose two threads of the same priority enter the runnable state. Then priority can be the factor to pick a thread from these two threads. In such case, arrival time of thread is considered by the thread scheduler. Thread that arrives first gets the preference over the other threads. Thread scheduler algorithms. On the basis of the above mentioned factors, the scheduling algorithm is followed by a Java thread scheduler. First comes Java server scheduling. In this scheduling algorithm, the scheduler picks the thread that arrives first in the runnable queue. Observe the table. T1 is equal to 0, T2 is 1, T3 is equal to 2, and T4 is equal to 3. In this table, we can see that T1 has arrived first, then T2, and then T3. The last T4 and the order which threads will be proceed according to the time arrival of the thread. Hence, T1 will be proceed first, and then T4 will be the last. Time slicking scheduling. Usually, the first serve algorithm is a non-primitive, which is bad as it may lead to infinite blocking, also known as starvation. To avoid that, some time slices are providing to the threads so that after some time the running thread has to give up the CPU. Thus, the other waiting threads also get the run their job. Each thread is given a time slice of 2 seconds. Thus, after 2 seconds, the first thread leaves the CPU and CPU then the captured by thread 2. The sum process repeat for the other threads too. Preemptive priority scheduling. The name of the scheduling algorithm denotes that the algorithm is related to the priority of the threads. Suppose there are multiple threads available in the runnable state. The thread scheduler picks that thread has the highest priority. Since the algorithm is primitive, therefore time slices are also provided to the threads to avoid starvation. Thus, after some time, even if the highest priority thread has not completed its job, it has to release the CPU because of preemption working of the Java thread scheduler. Java thread scheduler. Suppose there are 5 threads that have different arrival times and different priorities. Now, it is the responsibility of the thread scheduler to decide which thread will get a CPU first. The thread scheduler selects the thread has the highest priority, and the thread begins in the execution of the job. If the thread is already in a runnable state and other thread reaches in the runnable state, then the current thread is preempted from the processor, and the arrived thread with higher priority gets CPU time. So this is about the all about the thread scheduler. Thank you.